Hi, I'm Heath Bathgate, Midwest Product Specialist for Fender Musical Instruments Corporation. I'm going to take you through some of the key features of that crystal clear, hi-fi sound that are exclusive only on SWR amplification. In this video, we are going to focus on the Working Pro lineup and the features that set them apart from the rest, so get ready to step up and be heard. The Working Pro lineup consists of two heads, the 400 and the 700, four full-range cabinets, the 110, the 115, the 210, and the 410. Along with the heads and cabs, there are four combo amps, the 210C, 15, 12, and the smallest amp that SWR makes that has the SWR sound, the Working Pro 10. Three tonal characteristics of the SWR sound that we'll go over are the Aural Enhancer, the Bass Intensifier, and the Wedge EQ. Let's find out if they're myth or reality. First up is the Aural Enhancer, found on nearly every SWR amplifier. The definition is a variable tone curve that enhances fundamental low notes and high-end transient sounds while at the same time reducing frequencies that may mask the fundamentals. In this graph on the top line, starting from the left edge, represents the Aural Enhancer control set at 12 o'clock position. The middle line is at full clockwise and the bottom line is full counterclockwise. Notice the increased mid-range scoop as the control is turned up. Here's an audio example. Next is the Bass Intensifier circuit. The Bass Intensifier boosts low-end frequencies while compressing them so that no distortion is created from overdriving the amp. On all the other amps, there's a level end of frequency adjustment. The Working Pro 10 is a fixed push button. Here's an example. Next up is the Wedge EQ. The Wedge EQ compensates for acoustics lost with cabinet floor contact and a redirected tweeter. Here's an audio example. All of the Working Pro combos also come with the side-mounted input jack, which allows you to use the amp as a monitor for a larger bass amp signal, taking a line from a mixing board, an MP3, or CD player.